Ever ponder on the notion that artificial intelligence could one day replace us in our jobs? It's a thought that's as fascinating as it is unsettling. Welcome to today's discussion where we delve into the intriguing world of AI and its impact on the job market. Artificial intelligence, or AI as it's commonly known, has been steadily evolving over the years, becoming an integral part of our lives. It's in our smartphones, our cars, our appliances, and yes, even our workplaces. Turning our gaze towards the positive aspects, AI has an uncanny ability to automate repetitive tasks with a level of precision and speed that surpasses human capabilities. It can work round the clock, without breaks, holidays, or sick days. This increase in productivity and efficiency can lead to cost savings for businesses, which in turn could be invested back into the economy, potentially leading to more job creation. But it's not all sunshine and roses. With AI taking over certain roles, there's a real fear of job loss. In fact, some studies suggest that millions of jobs could be automated in the next couple of decades. Particularly at risk are jobs that involve repetitive tasks like assembly line work, data entry, and even some aspects of customer service. However, it's essential to note that while AI may replace certain jobs, it also creates new ones. Imagine a world where job titles like AI ethicist, autonomous vehicle infrastructure designer, or machine learning specialist are commonplace. These are not figments of a sci-fi writer's imagination, but actual roles that are emerging in the workforce today. As technology evolves, so do the skills required to harness its potential, leading to a host of new and exciting job opportunities. To paint a clearer picture, visualize a seesaw. On one side, we have job loss due to automation, and on the other, job creation due to technological advancement. The balance between the two is a delicate one, and it's a topic that continues to spark debate among experts. To summarize, AI is a double-edged sword when it comes to jobs. On the one hand, it can automate repetitive tasks, increase productivity, and lead to cost savings. On the other hand, there's the very real fear of job loss. But remember, AI also creates new jobs, ones that we couldn't have imagined a few years ago. In this ever-changing landscape, one thing remains certain. AI is here to stay, and it's reshaping the way we work. The key lies in adapting and evolving with it, in learning new skills and staying open to new opportunities. And who knows, in this brave new world of ours, you might just find your dream job.